After working for 10 hours straight, the team decided to dash, call it a day, beat around the bush, out of the woods, or cry wolf. Quick. After working for 10 hours,
Call it a day.
call it a day.
Call it a day.
Excellent. Excellent. Call it a day means stop working. Call it a day means stop working. Fantastic. Next one coming up. The contractor tried to dash by using cheap materials. The options are cut corners, cost an arm and a leg, barking up the wrong tree, go the extra mile.
Cut corner.
Cost and arm.
Corners, Meenuji.
Cut
Very
corner.
good. All right, well done. Next one is to help everyone, the teacher told a joke to dash. Break the ice, cold shoulder, hot water.
Break the ice.
Break the ice. Excellent.
Break the ice.
Break the ice, Nirmalji. What is the meaning of break the ice? To start the conversation. Fourth one is, this one I want Nirmalji, you to answer. You will get promoted when dash. She said. The options are beat around the bush, hold your breath, when pigs fly.
When pigs fly.
When pigs
Yes,
fly.
Mahi, when pigs fly. Excellent. Nirmalji, you can write down in the meanwhile. The next one is, she gave him the dash after their argument and refused to talk. The options are take a rain check, under the weather, keep your chin up, cold shoulder.
Cold shoulder. Cold
Cold
shoulder.
shoulder. Fantastic. Cold shoulder means what? To ignore. The next one is very interesting. I had to dash last night to finish my project. In full swing, turn the table, burn the midnight oil.
Burn the
full
midnight
swing.
oil.
Pardon?
Burn the midnight oil.
Burn the midnight oil. Well done. Burn the midnight oil means to work hard. All right. Next one, very interesting again. He passed the exam. Dash. In a pickle, walk on air, or by the skin of his teeth.
By the skin of his teeth.
Very good, Sarita. You got this. By the skin of his teeth. Now, by the skin, teeth don't have skin. So, it means that a narrow escape. Baal bach gaye. And next one is, don't shout at him. You will only dash. Once in a blue moon, black and white, add fuel to the fire.
Add fuel to the fire.
Yes, Jaya, very nice. Add fuel to the fire. यानी हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं इसको भड़काओ मत, आग में घी मत डालो. Next one, very interesting. Her analysis really dash. Hit the nail on the head, break the bank on cloud 9.
Hit the nail at the head.
Hit the nail on the head.
On the head.
Yes, well done. Hit the nail on the head means what?
Explaining something.
Saying something correct.
Actually, to be
Say
precise, to
something
be
right.
accurate. हाँ, जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं आपका तीर निशाने पर लगा. To hit the nail on the head. हिंदी में बोलते हैं. Right, well done. Next one, it was hard to dash when everyone else was laughing. And the options are keep a straight face, break new ground, or blow off steam.
Blow off. Keep the straight face.
Keep the straight face. Well done. Keep the
Keep
straight
the
face.
straight face.
What? Keep the straight face means?
Sad.
Yes?
Sad or sorrowful.
Ha, yes. I mean, keep the straight face means that you don't want to laugh. That is the meaning. Without any emotion, without any trace of emotion. Well done. Next one is after winning the tournament, the team went out to dash, play it by ear, paint the town red.
Paint the town red.
Paint the town red.
Very good.
Red.
Paint the town red. Red color stands for
Is it
celebration,
And
right?
glory,
Yes.
celebration.
So when we say paint the town red, it means you are celebrating something happily. Well done. Next one is don't worry. He still has a trick up his sleeves on the spot. Go Dutch. Trick up his sleeves. Up his
Yes, ma'am.
sleeves. Next one is very easy. She wanted to shout back, but decided to dash, jump the gun, hit the road, bite her tongue.
Bite her tongue.
Bite her tongue.
Bite.
Next one is I am still dash about whether to accept the new job or not. And the options are out of the woods, face the music, on the fence.
On the
On the
fence.
fence.
On the
Second
fence.
one.
The fence. He was dash when he got accepted into his dream university. Example, try
On
wolf,
cloud nine.
the boat on cloud nine. Okay, you remember. Mahi, you got this.
Yes.
On cloud nine. Well done. Well, next one, the students had to dash after breaking the school rules. And the options are take it with a grain of salt, throw in the towel, face the music.
Face the
Face
music.
the music.
Face
Face the
the
music.
music. Face the music. Face the music का मतलब है to confront the consequences. आपने कोई गलत काम किया है, आपने कोई ग्लास तोड़ा है, या आपने बॉस के सामने कुछ बोल दिया ऐसा, तो अब तो आपको उसका जो रिजल्ट है वो झेलना पड़ेगा. Next one is very interesting. He used to smoke daily, but decided to dash. Call it a day, ring a bell, go cold turkey.
Go to
Go
turkey.
cold turkey.
Go cold turkey, remember. So go cold turkey का मतलब क्या हुआ? Go cold turkey means to stop doing anything that you used to do. आपकी कोई ऐसी खराब आदत, जैसे आप स्मोकिंग करते थे, ड्रिंक करते थे, बहुत सोते थे, बट नाउ यू डिसाइडेड टू गो कोल्ड turkey. That is the meaning. Very good. Interesting. Next one is after months of trying, she finally decided to dash and quit. Call the shots, break even, throw in the towel.
Throw in the
Throw
towel.
in the towel. Throw in
Yes,
the towel.
Nirmal ji. Nirmal ji got it first. Throw in the towel means surrender karna.
Give
Investing without research is like dash with your money. Get the ball rolling, let sleeping dogs lie, and the last playing with fire.
Playing with fire.
Playing with fire. आग से खेलना, ठीक है. टीचर के सामने जबान चलाना is like playing with fire. And the last one is tell me what happened. I am. Very interesting. Out of the blue, off the hook, all ears.
all ears. All ears.
All years.
All ears. All ears का मतलब होता है alert. बहुत ध्यान से आप
Alert.
टीचर की बात को सुन रहे हो. Like